In this video, I will be showing you how to set up automatic report backups. So you may be wondering as to why automatic report backups are needed. Well, automatic report backups are needed to create a snapshot of your data in case there is an issue where you aren't able to access your data in real time. With automatic report backups, you will have your data stored in your Google Drive. So to start this process, you must first be logged into your Xero account. Then go to Extensions, find G-Accon for Xero, find Automation, and select Create Workflow. You can now begin to set up your workflow name and description. Then, in the next tab over, select your template and drag and drop to the right-hand side. The template that you selected will be the template used as your backup. Then, you can go ahead in the Scheduler tab and schedule your automation frequency. You have the options of hourly, daily, weekly, or monthly. So once you have selected your frequency, go ahead and select when you want it to be refreshed. Then go ahead to the last tab, Automatic Backups, and make sure to turn it on. Then, using this specific format, go ahead and put in your timestamp. Then apply and execute. Then we can check our results and make sure that it is backed up correctly. And in doing so, we can go back to Extensions, scrolling down to G-Accon for Xero, finding Automation, and selecting Update, Modify, Delete Workflow. Then we will go ahead and run our workflow by selecting it and executing. Once you see that the creation has been successful, you can see the backup in your Google Drive. And once you find it and select, you will have a copy of your report as you can see on my screen. Thank you so much for sticking around, and don't forget to stay tuned for new upcoming videos.